Hey, I've got my um, DT Swiss 350 front hub, and I'm just going to show you how I change the standard end caps to the larger RockShox torque end caps. So I've got this little tool here. This is a tool set that DT Swiss sells for the 350 and 370 hubs. It's the part that's going to allow us to remove and replace the end caps. So there's a little like press fit retaining ring inside of here, and with this piece we're just going to slide it in a little bit and apply some pressure to pop that ring out. So that is one side. And then I'm going to, this is, sometimes this ships with your wheels. In the case of this Roval or Reval wheel set, they do send the additional end caps. Sometimes you need to purchase these. So these are going to have a couple pieces. So this is the larger, or I should say longer end cap for the non-drive side that I'm going to put on. This is for the other side, for the drive side. Then we've got these same rings that kind of like little press fit rings that hold it on. And after we get those in, we essentially snap on the torque cap interface. This is what's going to interface with that, with the RockShox fork. This is the DT Swiss special grease. So this piece is going to go in, and this inset ridge, that is going to go down over this piece. So it should look like that. We're going to set it in. Then we're going to take this and we're going to put it together like that. So this piece here is going to press in that fitting, and we're going to give it a couple whacks, and we'll hear a little like ping when it's actually set. Yeah, so it's set, and that is in. I like to double check. Okay. And to finish off this side, we're going to take that and pop it on. We'll go to the other side, take our tool, again just stick it in a little bit. we're all set.